Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we talking about stocks to buy in the top 3 growing industries. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon world. Now, on my phone, I got pulled up the top 3 growing industries you want to invest in. I feel like as millennials, a lot of us younger people, we get a lot of money in our 20s and we don't exactly know what to invest in, or nobody, is a friend for real, and they tell us what to really invest in, and we end up spending all our money, partying, trying to travel, do all type of unnecessary stuff. So in this video, I just want to help with finances. I'm not in any way a financial advisor, but I did some research and I just want to help you understand the growing industries and the top 5 stocks to buy in each of those industries. Now, if you can leave a like for your boy, that's all you got to do to support me. Now, today, we're in a new era, we're in a new time. Everybody knows that. And right now, one of the main industries to invest in is artificial intelligence. Now, how to invest if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android, and you want to know how to put money into stocks, you download an app called Robinhood. I'm going to leave a very detailed description in the description so you can go through and you can see each one of these stocks, the name, how they're spelled out, the abbreviation. I'm not going to go too in depth of each stock because I don't want the video to be that long, but I will list each stock and how to spell it within the stock market, and so you can find it on Robinhood and invest. And with Robinhood, it's a safe platform. You can download the app. You can always track your portfolio right from your phone, and you can cash out at any time you want. So, top 5 stocks for artificial intelligence. We got IBM. Now, to spell this, or to find this on Robinhood, is the cash symbol, then is IBM. Now, next, artificial intelligence stock you should research and look into is BAIDU. Now, BAIDU is spelled BAIDU, and on the stocks, it's a cash symbol with BIDU. That's how you find that, BIDU, on Robinhood. Now, the next artificial intelligence stock you should invest in is YEXT. Now, YEXT is spelled YEXT. On the stock market, is listed as the cash symbol YEXT. The next stock you should buy into is NVDIA. Now, NVDIA is spelled NVDIA. And on the stock market, you can find it at NVDA. Cash symbol NVDA is how you find that on the stock market. So the next artificial intelligence stock that you need to pay attention to is Amazon. Also, invest in Amazon. They are getting involved in artificial intelligence. We know how to spell Amazon. And how to find Amazon on Robinhood is the cash symbol AMZN. You go on there, and that's how you find it. You can just type in AMZN and any of those symbols, any of those numbers with the cash symbol. So, next industry we need to pay attention to as millennials and as people living in this new era are electric car stocks. Now, electric car stocks, whether people like autonomous and electric vehicles or not, big companies, big brands are rolling it out. So I feel like electric cars, coming from a sense of making profit, wanting to invest in something that's going to be profitable for you in the future, we need to invest in electric car stocks. So my top 5 pick for electric car stocks is Tesla. Tesla, you know how to spell Tesla, but we can find Tesla on the market, cash symbol TSLA, and that's how you find Tesla on the market. Next for electric car stocks is NIO, NEO is spelled NIO, cash symbol NIO. And after that, you can look up MAGNA. MAGNA is another electric car stock you should invest in. It's found on Robinhood using cash symbol MGA. And next electric car stock, BMW. So to find BMW on the electric car stocks is cash symbol BMWYY. That's 2 Y's. So next electric car stock I would recommend you look into is Volvo. Now Volvo on the stock market is found, it's a cash symbol VLVLY. And remember, you can search all of these stocks that I'm saying on Robinhood. I'll leave the names to all of these stocks within the description, and how to find them, how to spell them, how to download Robinhood. Everything will be within the description, so you can go and do your own research. But why I'm making this video is to save you some time, so you don't have to go, because if you go on the marketplace, you see so many different stocks, you see news about this and that, and you can be pulled in so many different directions. What I want to do is just give you a centralized list, or organized list of everything, so you can make a more effective decision without being indecisive and boggled down by all of the stocks viewing at once. So next growing industry everybody needs to pay attention to, whether you're an advocate for cannabis, medical marijuana or not. Marijuana stocks are booming, and they will get better in the future as cannabis will become $1 trillion industry. And I feel like it's a part of American agriculture. I don't see anything wrong with the use and consumption. I'm not saying I promote it, but if you are of age, you go through pain and you had trauma and a lot of different things, cannabis can help. It has been clinically proven, and I believe the stigma and the propaganda around marijuana has to be dropped, and I believe it should be more accepted in America. But that's just why I believe it's a growing industry in this field, and why I wanted to list these companies along with it. Some people may have their feelings about cannabis, but it's an opportunity for us to have some type of generational wealth. If you are thinking about a delivery service, or even arranging food, infusing food with cannabis, or just the medical research and growing and cultivating, it's a chance to gain generational wealth. Or even if you don't want to be in that, here are 5 stocks for you to invest in. So marijuana stocks, we got AURORA. Now AURORA is found on the stock market as the cash symbol ACD. So if you type in ACD on Robinhood, it'll pop up CANOPY. And CANOPY is another marijuana stock, and that is found as a cash symbol CGC. You can just type in CGC on Robinhood, you'll be able to find it. Now, next one is Tilray. Tilray is found by the cash symbol TLRY. After that, we got GW.PH, and GW.PH is found cash symbol GW.PH. And the last stock we got for the growing industries and the marijuana stocks are APHRIA. APHRIA is found on Robinhood as cash symbol APHA. Now, those are all my 5 picks. I hope this video has helped you. Like I said, if you have an iPhone, you can do this directly from your iPhone It's very easy to attach your bank account, your credit card information, and the app will allow you to fund your account. Once you fund your account, you can pick how many shares you want to buy. Robinhood does not take a commission fee, so you don't have to pay commission fees like if you were on a different exchange, you would. But if you use my link, you will get a free stock to start with of your choice: Apple, Tesla, Foot Locker, whatever you want to pick. If you go through the link, you'll get a free stock to start off with. So it's your boy Yon World. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. I plan on dropping more videos, educating y'all about the importance of finances. I feel like, younger people, we give money at an early age and we really don't know what to do with it. So we end up acquiring a lot of debt, and our families, the school, society, it doesn't really teach us how to save and keep the money. It always teaches us how to blow and spend the money. So what I want to do, if I can help somebody, even if it's one person, and then start to invest in stocks, I don't care if you're 20, 18, you gonna want some money. Every year you alive, you gonna want some money. So you might as well put in the foundation for your financial security now. No matter what age you are, you're gonna want some money. You may get to a point where you don't want to work for anybody. You want passive income. Once you understand like the freedom, like a passive income, that's why I want to also talk about like the benefits of passive income, and just understanding like that getting money while you sleep, getting money off the internet, and getting money by means where you don't have to physically be there is the wave. Like that's such a high level of vibration. It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling to be able to make money, and not have to require your time, not have to physically be somewhere, but you still generating income and for yourself. That feeling is like mind blowing. So I want more people to experience that. I feel like us being humans here is all about the experience of emotions. So we here to experience our emotions, and having financial freedom is one of the keys to experience all of the emotions that a human is possible of feeling. It's your boy Yon World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this video. If I help you, we out. Peace.